Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create a Proton Calendar account step by step. A Proton Calendar is a privacy-focused calendar service with end-to-end encryption that helps you securely manage your events and schedule across multiple devices. So let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and visit the official Proton website. Click the Sign Up or Create Free Account button to begin creating your new Proton account. Next, choose the free plan or another plan that fits your needs. Enter your preferred username, create a strong password, and complete any required verification steps, such as email or CAPTCHA verification, if prompted. Once your account has been created, sign in using your new Proton username and password. After logging in, you'll see the Proton dashboard with access to services like Proton Mail, Proton Calendar, and any other Proton services included with your account. Now open Proton Calendar from the dashboard. The first time you access it, Proton will automatically prepare your encrypted calendar. You can then create your first calendar, adjust your time zone, and customize your notification preferences if you'd like. Finally, start adding events by clicking the New Event or Create Event button. Enter the event title, date, time, location, and any additional details, then save the event. Your calendar will automatically sync across your signed-in Proton devices, and that's it. You now know how to create a Proton Calendar account and start organizing your schedule with Proton's secure, privacy-focused calendar service. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Hey everyone!